Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 33. We are currently continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we're stepping inside the St. Peter and Paul Church, one of the most iconic landmarks in North Beach. As you enter, the first thing you notice is the soaring height of the nave. The Gothic Revival design draws your eyes upward to ribbed vaults and stained glass windows that filter soft-colored light across the pews. This is a church that feels both grand and deeply welcoming, with intricate details that reward slow, careful observation. The church was completed in 1924 and has since become known as the Italian Cathedral of the West. For decades, it has been the spiritual home of San Francisco's Italian-American community, and its twin spires dominate the skyline around Washington Square Park. The building has seen countless weddings, festivals, and even famous moments in popular culture, including Joe DiMaggio's wedding photographs taken right here on its steps. Moving deeper inside, you'll see side chapels adorned with statues, altars decorated with candles, and ornate woodwork that speaks to the craftsmanship of the era. The stained glass tells biblical stories, but also reflects the immigrant's journey, showing how faith and community intertwined in the lives of those who built North Beach. The sound inside the church feels almost alive. Even the smallest footsteps echo gently. And if you're here during Mass or choir practice, the acoustics amplify every note into something transcendent. For many visitors, this sense of stillness, history, and artistry provides a moment of pause in an otherwise busy city. And so, as we finish our walkthrough, we'll take a moment to sit down in one of the wooden pews, look around at the incredible detail, and simply enjoy the peace, ambiance of St. Peter and Paul's Church.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.